Welcome to Auto Car News, where today we're diving into an exclusive look at the highly anticipated Ford 3-Window 2025. This sleek and stylish ride brings back some serious nostalgia while pushing the envelope in automotive innovation. As we get into it, you're going to see why this vehicle is set to change the game for car enthusiasts everywhere. From its design to performance, the Ford 3-Window 2025 is a masterpiece of engineering, blending classic aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. Now, let's talk about the exterior of this beauty. One of the first things that will grab your attention is the aggressive stance it brings to the road. The Ford 3-Window features a bold front grille, designed with sharp, angular lines that scream power and precision. The bodywork is smooth, with curves that flow effortlessly, giving the car an almost liquid appearance. The attention to detail is absolutely stunning, with every panel meticulously sculpted to enhance aerodynamics. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked in front of a crowd, this vehicle makes a statement. The 2025 model sticks true to the 3-Window's iconic silhouette, maintaining the classic 3-window coupe design that pays homage to the past. However, Ford has modernized it with a mix of futuristic elements. LED headlights cut through the darkness like lasers, while the taillights create a light show of their own. It's a perfect marriage of old-school charm and modern technology. And the color palette? It's varied, but for those who want to go all out, the custom color options include metallic finishes that reflect light in ways you have to see to believe. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that's as luxurious as it is high-tech. Ford has truly elevated the experience with a seamless blend of classic leather upholstery and futuristic digital displays. The dashboard is sleek and minimalist, with a large touch-screen interface that controls everything from navigation to entertainment. And don't even get me started on the sound system. It's engineered to deliver crisp, clear audio at any volume, whether you're listening to your favorite tunes or catching up on a podcast. But let's talk about the performance, because that's where the Ford 3-Window 2025 really shines. Under the hood, this car is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid engine that gives you the perfect balance of power and efficiency. It's fast, really fast. The electric motor provides instant torque, allowing for lightning-quick acceleration, while the traditional engine gives you the raw power you need when you push the pedal to the metal. Ford has worked tirelessly to ensure that this car is not only a powerhouse, but also fuel-efficient, allowing you to go further on less. What's also remarkable is the handling. The Ford 3-Window 2025 features a dynamic suspension system that adapts to different driving conditions, whether you're taking tight corners or cruising on the highway. The car grips the road like glue, providing confidence and control no matter where you are. And if you're worried about the driving experience being too automated, don't be. The Ford 3-Window allows you to switch between driving modes, so whether you want to cruise in comfort or push it to the limits, it's entirely up to you. Safety is also a top priority with this model. Ford has packed the 3-Window 2025 with an array of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work in the background, making sure that you and your passengers are always protected. And the best part? These features are designed not just for safety, but for ease of use. They're intuitive and easy to activate, meaning you don't have to be a tech expert to enjoy the peace of mind that comes with driving this vehicle. The Ford 3-Window 2025 also comes with a range of connectivity features that make it feel like you're always plugged in. Wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a fully integrated navigation system ensure that you're never out of touch with the outside world. Plus, the car's Wi-Fi hotspot lets you stay connected wherever you go, so whether you're streaming music or working on the road, you've got the connectivity you need. The Ford 3-Window 2025 is truly a car of the future, yet it maintains the legacy and history of the brand. It's not just about style or performance, it's about crafting an experience that's as memorable as it is thrilling. From its eye-catching design to its advanced technology, it redefines what a modern muscle car can be. So whether you're an avid Ford fan, a car enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates innovation, the 2025 Ford 3-Window is a vehicle you'll want to keep an eye on. It's a perfect blend of the past and the future, designed for drivers who want it all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting updates on this incredible car.